Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn about Angular pipes. So we have seen that we are sending the data from component to the template and also from the template to the component. Now handling a data in the component is very easy. You can do some functions. But what if you need to handle the data in the template before it will render? That means if you require to send the data from the component to the template and just you want to change the data format before it will render to the template, then on that scenarios you need pipes. So let's go through the definition. Every application starts out with what seems like a simple task: get data, transform them, and show them to users. A pipe transforms the data before it displays. Correct. So if you want to change the data format, you can use pipe. Let's see a scenario. Once data arrives, you could push the raw to string values directly to the view, but that rarely makes for a good user experience. That means if you have a date in a format of this Friday, April 15, 1988, 0000 GMT, then it is something awkward that your user will not understand, or he will be confused after this. So that before entering this data, you may be required to make it properly like April 15, 1988. So this kind of changes we can do using pipes. So let's see this example. Suppose I have a date and I want to change it. So you can see in the template what I am doing. I have a birthday, so this is the variable name birthday, and you're using pipe. After that you're using a format, pipe format, that is date. So Angular has some predefined or built-in pipes that we will discuss now. So Angular comes with a stock of pipes such as lowercase, uppercase, date, currency, JSON, percent slice. So these are the inbuilt pipes. So the syntax is you have to use the variable name, whatever is in the TS file. Then using pipe symbol you have to pass the pipe name. So let's see the practical. So this is my TS file and I have some variables already declared. You can see this is a string, this is a date, this is a JSON object, and this is array. Okay, so we will use all the pipes, whatever we have the pipes in our predefined inbuilt pipes. So the syntax is, so first of all I will use uppercase pipe. So for that, this is our symbol how we are binding the data using interpolation. So my variable name is title and I will use pipe symbol. Then I have to use uppercase. So you can see it's now completely on uppercase. Similarly, I can use lowercase. Here also lowercase. This is just I'm using for your reference. Nothing deal with this. Okay. So you can see all characters are in small. Fine. Now next, see the date. So excuse me. If I pass my date, get the variable name and pass it here, you can see the format, right? This is something awkward. So for that what you have to do is take the pipe and simply write the date. So you can see it's properly formatted. Also you can change as per your format what you want. So currently I'm not using that. Just see this one. Next, I want to show this my object. So for that, or JSON object. So here what you need to do is you need to call the object name, put it here, and then JSON. You can see I have complete JSON file. Similarly, for array you can use a method called slice. So this is my array age. So what I want to do is using slice, if you know array slice method, you can slice the part of an array. So I am taking age and now I want to slice. Remember, if you want to pass the argument, the formula is you have to pass the parameters as much you want with using colon. Suppose I have one parameter, then I can pass with one colon. If it needs two parameters, then again I need to pass with a colon. Okay, so I'm taking 1 with 2. So you can see I have 20. Correct. So if you see, if you slide this one, I have two parts. One is means 20 and 0, 1, 2. So it will take the 20 only. So it takes as per the index number. Correct. So this is how we are using our inbuilt pipes. Also we have some other pipes like percent. So we have to take suppose I have 0.4 and I want to make it as a percent. So you can see it's 40%. Correct. Also we can use currency. Suppose I have 1000 and I want to make it to show as a euro or rupees INR. So what I will do is I will use currency. So by default it will be a dollar. So if you want to make it Indian national rupees, then again with colon INR. So you can see it will be rupees. Simply you can do also USD. So it will go for dollar and euro. So these are the inbuilt types what we are using. In next chapter we will see how we are doing our customized own pipe so as per requirement. Thank you.